The automatic glass bottle cleaning machine adopts high-pressure air blowing and rinsing technology to thoroughly remove dust, debris and impurities inside and outside glass bottles, using food-grade cleaning methods to avoid secondary pollution. It is compatible with various specifications of round glass bottles. The automatic granule weighing filling machine is equipped with high-precision load cells and servo control, realizing accurate weighing and filling of various granular materials. It features adjustable weighing rings, no material waste, and stable filling speed, suitable for granular food, supplements, spices, and other products that require precise dosage. The double-head servo bottle screw capping machine adopts dual-head synchronous operation with precise torque control to ensure tight and stable capping without damaging bottle caps or glass bottles. The automatic single-side labeling machine realizes accurate, wrinkle-free and bubble-free labeling on the single side of round glass bottles. It supports various self-adhesive labels with adjustable labeling position and speed, improving product appearance and brand recognition.